Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be demonstrating how the Smart Key prevents you from locking your keys inside the vehicle. I've been getting several comments and questions about this feature, and I wanted to show exactly what happens when you try to lock a Smart Key inside your Toyota. So let's get started. The vehicle I'm using today is a 2022 Corolla SE. This is what a Smart Key looks like. You will notice a more rectangular shape on different models. Every Smart Key is a push-button start. If you have to insert a key to start your vehicle, you do not have a proper Smart Key. This vehicle is turned fully off, the key fob battery is not depleted, and I have only one key with me. Let's see what happens when I try to lock the key inside the vehicle. So some comments I've received are that this only works if the key is near the driver's seat, which can be correct in cases where the key fob battery is depleted, as the sensors are typically located at the front of the vehicle. So starting with the driver's seat, I'm going to put the key fob inside and close the door. Now without the key fob, I have to use either the door handle sensors or the lock button inside the door to lock the vehicle. Let's try the sensors first, and I will play the live audio of what I'm hearing. This long beep means the key is detected inside the vehicle and therefore no doors are locked. Now let's try the second locking method. Notice the doors are locked, but when I shut the door within 3 seconds, the lights flash, we hear a long beep, and all the doors unlock. A prompt saying key not detected will also appear on the front dash screen. Now let's move to the back. I'm now going to put the key inside the back passenger door so it's a little farther from the sensors. Again, let's click the lock sensor on the door handles and let's see what happens. Once again, we get a loud, long beep and all the doors are unlocked. Let's try the second method. Okay, I've locked all the doors. Now let's shut the door and wait. Lights flash, long beep, and you can hear all the doors click to unlock. Now I picked this vehicle specifically to demonstrate on so we could try this in the trunk. I'm going to use the key to open the trunk, pop the key inside the trunk, close it completely, and then I'm going to walk over to the door handle sensors, and we will try to lock the keys inside the trunk. Once again, a loud, long beep, and none of the doors lock. Let's manually lock the vehicle. Close the door. Within 3 seconds, the loud, long beep, the lights flash, and all the doors unlock again. Come to the back, open it up, and the key is sitting inside. You can see that if your Smart Key has a good battery level, it can be detected throughout the vehicle. Once the battery starts to deplete, the key cannot be detected as far away from the sensors. Please note that I can still lock this key inside as long as I'm using the second key fob outside the vehicle to do it. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped to shed some light on this feature. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.